Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen pump for fish at home. First, understand that proper oxygenation is crucial for your fish's health, preventing stress and disease. A well-oxygenated tank supports a healthy ecosystem, ensuring your aquatic friends can breathe easily and flourish. This simple project will help you achieve that vital balance. To begin, gather a few inexpensive items. You'll need a small aquarium air pump, which you can find for around $10 to $15. Next, get about 3 to 5 feet of standard airline tubing, costing just a few dollars. Don't forget an air stone to diffuse the bubbles, and a check valve to prevent water backflow into your pump, a crucial safety measure. Assembling your oxygen pump is straightforward. First, firmly attach one end of your airline tubing to the small nozzle on your air pump. Next, connect the air stone to the opposite end of the tubing. Now, carefully place the air stone into your fish tank, ensuring it rests near the bottom. Finally, plug in your air pump and watch the bubbles begin to flow, oxygenating your tank. For optimal performance and safety, remember a few key tips. Always place your air pump higher than the water level in your tank. This prevents water from siphoning back into the pump if the power goes out. Installing a check valve provides an extra layer of protection. Also, periodically clean your air stone and tubing to ensure consistent, strong airflow, keeping your fish happy and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.